Once upon a time, in a small Jamaican town, there was a legendary circus led by the talented trainer Clementine. Her star performer was Jumbo, a gentle giant of an elephant with shimmering silver-gray skin and bright, curious eyes. Jumbo wasn't just any elephant. He possessed a special spark, a connection to something beyond the ordinary. One warm evening, during a sold-out show under the Caribbean stars, Clementine noticed something strange. As she guided Jumbo through a daring acrobatic trick, a glowing light shimmered behind the stage. Suddenly, a swirling portal of shimmering colors appeared, emitting a soft hum. Before she could react, Jumbo stepped forward, sensing the portal's call. Clementine hesitated but knew Jumbo's instincts were rare. With a deep breath, she nodded, and Jumbo stepped into the portal, vanishing in a flash of light. Clementine was stunned. Moments later, the portal stabilized, revealing a breathtaking scene, a vibrant, alien city with floating platforms and luminous plants. Jumbo's eyes sparkled with wonder as he took in the sights. It turned out Jumbo was no ordinary elephant. He was part of an ancient Jamaican legend about a cosmic guardian who could bridge worlds. In this new world, Jumbo was welcomed by friendly extraterrestrial beings called the Luminoids, who explained that his unique spirit had been chosen to help bring harmony between planets. Clementine, following her brave elephant, stepped through the portal and was greeted with warmth and curiosity. Together, Jumbo and Clementine performed incredible feats, Jumbo juggling glowing spheres, leaping through rings of stardust, and dazzling the Luminoids with his agility. Their performances sparked joy and unity across the galaxy, proving that even in the vast universe, a little Jamaican magic and a brave heart could forge connections beyond imagination. After their mission was complete, the portal opened again. Jumbo and Clementine bid farewell to their new friends, knowing they had become part of something greater. They stepped back through the portal, returning to Jamaica, where their story became legendary, a tale of a circus elephant who reached for the stars and brought hope to the cosmos. And from that day on, Jumbo was celebrated not just as a circus star, but as a cosmic hero, proof that courage, friendship, and a little Jamaican spirit could conquer even the farthest galaxies.